guys! Oh, welcome to Dashi Time. Today, I'm gonna teach our guys to draw Dogman. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you didn't enjoy it, I don't mind if you put a thumbs down. And remember to click that subscribe button. Okay, rather than the talking, let's just start with the drawing. Okay, you might be hearing background noises, but sorry, people are watching TV. Okay, we're gonna draw Dogman's head. So Dogman's one of my favorite character, and I got the whole series. Let me show you the whole series. So he's my favorite comic books. So today I'm gonna teach you how to draw him. Dogman's this guy, if you can see. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Okay, first, roughly, but here, we're gonna draw it, so like, over here, we're gonna draw, still have ink, an upside down U. Okay, guys? Okay, so, next, draw a line straight out. For Dogman's nose, closely draw a circle and color it in. Okay, done coloring it in. Now I'm gonna draw a curved line connecting it. Oh my god, do I even have ink? Not a good looking face, but it's okay. I'll just give it a try. Okay, in case if you guys have a mistake like me, you should be proud of yourself, because it's a mistake. You learn from mistakes, and that will help you make it better next time. So you should be proud of yourself. Okay, now we're gonna draw the eyes. The eyes are super simple. We're gonna draw one line down and another line down. Funny looking eyes. Okay, we're gonna draw, you know how Dogman or cat? If you can see closely, there's probably these dots here. So we're gonna draw those dots. So, yeah. So, one dot, 2 dots, 3 dots. Okay, now we're gonna draw. I'm not gonna make it this side. Okay, I'm gonna make him like he's serious. Okay, so if you want to make him look like he's serious, you have to draw a line this way. If you go close to the head, draw a V shape. Look serious to me. Okay. Now we're gonna draw his body. Draw one L shape and draw a line to join back down. Okay. Looks funny. Draw a W shape and draw a line. Join him. Well, oh yeah, we totally forgot a step. What is it? His hat. So if we're gonna draw an upside down L, then join back down. Then we're gonna draw a line out for his cap. That's the same thing we did here. We're gonna do it up here, but smaller. Not this big coming out of the hat. That would be weird. So draw a W shape and draw a U shape to come on. We're so close. Draw a line down. But I didn't touch. If you look closely, I didn't touch the body. Do the same thing, but don't touch the body. Okay? We're gonna do something. Usually they draw Dogman's hand like this. So 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. If it comes in, you color it. Okay. We're gonna draw, if you look closely, we're gonna draw a line here. Okay. If it came out a bit, but okay. We make mistakes. We're supposed to be proud. So we learn. Okay, do the same thing, but not touching. And then as we did here, we're gonna do the same thing. Done. Okay, now we're gonna draw its legs. Oh my god, it's 6 minutes. I'm wasting your time, guys. Okay. Okay, draw an L shape and join back up. Oh, next I should use a Sharpie. Do the same thing over here. L shape and join back up. Huh. Funny looking dog. Draw a C, but then make the bottom line longer and join back up. Or we can do this way. Draw a L but the bottom line long and join back in. Dogman. You guys can color it, but if you don't want him serious, then you can be expressive. There's be happy, happier, super happy, worried, sad, determined. That's the thing we did here. Scared, angry, sleepy.